guys, and today on BRB Champions we're gonna do West Ham versus Liverpool. Sorry, Liverpool just came back from some 12 bites. Anyway, we're gonna do West Ham versus Liverpool. We have 5 normal packets and 1 limited edition packet each time. Do them now, each half. So that's the first half.
Regular, and we have the limited edition, which we're going to be opening.
And in this half we do as well.
See, that's the one.
And this half is the same, and then we have a limited edition as well.
Make sure you subscribe to make us happy. Then get thumbs up and ring the bell.
And make it blue.
No.
Anyway, yeah, ring the notification. So, Bruno is going to go first. First pack. So, Bruno's pack. Let's go and open it. Let's hope we get a golden baller.
Yeah.
Like in the last pack which I got. James.
Oh, is this a Liverpool player or a Man U? Or someone else? It's Brentford. Let's show it to the camera. So, first player, we have Brentford.
Oh, and this is not
And
a
then
player,
we have
it's a team.
a lineup of Newcastle. We have Man City Mahrez again. It's the 4th time we've packed this guy. Then the top keeper Pickford. Only 3 more. A few more to go. And then we have Crystal Palace, Jordan Ayew. And then we have another Brentford, Ben Sawson.
And then we have
this card. Yeah.
Card.
Right, next up is Robin.
Wait.
Wait, no, it's me. It's me.
Get a bit confused.
We've got 3 packs to open. Ready? Oh, English.
Remember, one
Gosling.
pack more.
Gosling.
I think he's a swap. But anyway, we've got Dan Gosling. The Wolves lineup.
Can we get to do a better start from Bruno's pack?
Sorry. Wolves lineup. Another Brentford. You've got to be joking. Anyways, there's a code card.
Wait, just imagine if it's a diamond. Just imagine.
Then Brentford defender.
Oh, it's not.
Lamptey.
Lamptey was the diamond, which we got.
Yeah.
But it's
Then a Wolves forward. Oh, there's Liverpool. Jimenez. And then a Liverpool forward. Is it? First, we'll have a look at the Brentford hero. Mr. Silva.
if it's Brentford, if we're doing Brentford as a team, then we actually win him.
Who's that?
Lightning
Salah
Mouse.
Lightning.
So it's Bruno's
Another
card.
swap.
So Bruno, there you go. That's yours.
Yeah, it's yours. Next pack. I think it's just my pack look, you know. It's rubbish today. It's absolutely disgraceful. Have the code card.
West Ham.
West Ham defender.
Well, Sam makes it 1-0
Cresswell.
Liverpool. Wait,
That's another swaps.
it's 1-1. Wait, it's 1-1.
Oh yeah, it is West Ham, isn't it?
It's West Ham.
I've just remembered that. It's 1-1.
Mo Salah scores a goal. Then Cresswell comes back and shoots and scores. With a lovely headed goal. Wait, is he forward or defender? Defender. Yeah, so it was a lovely headed goal from the corner.
Next up, we have a Brighton midfielder, which
Another
is
Brighton
Grob.
midfielder.
Oh, but I think that's
And then we have another Brighton midfielder, which is March. A Southampton midfielder,
What else?
which is Romeo.
Romeo's body. I said
Then
Goalkeeper.
West Ham goalkeeper, Fabianski.
Fabianski
We only
makes it.
need a few more left.
Fabianski
Then
scores a
our
goal.
Swapsy,
from a
that's
goalkeeper.
it.
Huh?
It's a swapsy.
It is as well.
And who's that?
And then
Another.
Fabianski.
Fabianski makes it 2-1 to West Ham.
And then last pack from me. I think think it's just my pack. Look, it's so bad. Right, there's a code card.
Brentford,
Midfielder,
lots of cards in
Brentford again.
Brentford's.
A Janelle.
If it's Brentford v
Arsenal
team, they'll be
midfielder.
dominating it.
Smith thrower. Wolves forward. Another.
Another.
How?
Absolutely joking.
How have we got another?
Panini. Just always put.
And then we've got Lightning Troy. That's brilliant.
Yeah, Lightning Troy.
But how have we got another? Literally.
2 in today.
Look at that. And we have another 3 of them.
Another 3 of them. So that's a 5 marbles.
Oh, great. Oh yeah, we don't
And
we don't count bonuses, by the way.
one of them is downstairs, and that's mine.
By the way, guys, we don't count bonuses. This is the West Ham
still is
lineup. We do not count bonus. Yes. Look at that. Oh.
We already got that, so it's mine.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah, it is the other.
Trophy. That's one card of this in the game. Oh, look at that. We've just got the trophy.
Chid.
That's so sick.
1 in.
Another badge. God.
Right then, the moment it is 2-1 to West Ham.
My packs. Next to you go to Soul Collectibles
To get your
get these yourself. Some other types.
first pack. Will Robin make
Chocolate hands.
Come on, it's easy.
Yeah, no.
Oh, red.
It's orange.
Oh, whatever. Midfielder.
Just imagine if it's another golden baller.
Wait, no, Robin, you need to flip it over.
Oh,
Code card.
code card.
Aston Villa forward. Ollie Watkins.
Yep, we're just going to take him. Orange defender.
Zeman Rainman.
Chelsea midfielder.
Kai Havertz.
Swapsy, that's pretty much it. James Rodriguez, Swapsy, that's pretty much
No.
it is. I'm pretty sure it is.
No, it's not.
I'm pretty sure it is.
Anyway. Lightning
Rashford.
Rashford. Put him over there, Bruno.
Best midfielder. Is it going to be another golden ball game, Madison? Let's have a look. It is
No,
not.
it's not, but it's still great.
It's a
Ndidi hero.
Ndidi.
Yeah. Right, limited edition pack. Let's hope for the best that we will get.
What are you doing like that? It's pretty hard for me to do. Sign.
Signed. It's not signed. Wait, is it Eze? Is it signed Eze? Please say it's signed Eze. Come on.
It is signed as a.
No, it's not.
It's not signed.
It's not signed, but it's still limited edition. Eze. Getting closer and closer to that signed. That's nice.
And we have another.
And we have another. And that is half time at 2-1 to West Ham.
At what stadium?
At Anfield.
At Anfield Stadium.
Bruno, what do you have? Oh yeah, sorry, no, never mind. Robin.
My 3 packs.
Now it's time for Robin's 3 packs.
Can we get another golden baller like last time?
See if he's lucky enough to get an ice, because we've not got an ice yet.
We haven't got an ice, so I hope for an ice. Ice for me.
Turn it off.
We want
It's a free.
So Wolves defender.
Is Otto. Manu defend midfield or whoever it is. Wan-Bissaka.
Leeds lineup.
Leeds bonus. Badge or lineup.
Leicester City defender.
Leicester City defender. Cheong.
No,
Oh, is that Phillips?
inserts?
Is that Phillips?
He's
It's going to be Phillips.
midfielder. So we have our inserts.
Oh, it's Bamford. Elite Bamford.
We don't have him.
He's still got
he's still good.
Brentford taking out the badge or the...
I think it's the badge.
Yeah, it's the badge.
Because the badges are this one.
Let's get a message out here now. I need to put those in the bin. Rubbish bag. And I think it's the rubbish bag.
Right then, Robin, next pack.
There we go.
There's 3 codes here.
Free code. Southampton. If it's from there, I'm just so mad.
It's Remo. It is Remo. Bruno, here's another swapsy. Oh. Right, Burnley.
By defender.
I swear there's no Liverpool cards.
Bentley.
Ben Mee, that's another
That's
swapsy,
it.
I think.
Wait, is Edison a top keeper?
Yeah, we have him.
Do we?
No, we don't.
Just hope for the best. It's top keeper.
It's not gonna be.
Oh,
it is.
Season,
Edison, top keeper.
Wait,
Look at that.
I think I can finish. I already had Edison.
We might finish top keepers.
Two inserts, both midfielders.
Wait, no, that was an insert.
What? Oh, it was an insert. Sorry about that.
Anyway, West Ham badge. We do not count them. Sorry.
All lineups.
Line up anyways.
Wait,
We do not count them. That's another swap. Bruno, here you go.
Bang bong.
It's there.
Where's the card?
Right.
I got this one.
Oh, what the hell? Never mind then. Just leave it. Right, go. Everton midfielder. Sigurdsson.
Last insert. Hope it's good.
Bruno Fernandes.
Game break.
Game breaker McTominay.
That's
Okay then.
Oh, last pack we're gonna go into. How many?
Still 2-1 to West Ham.
Top keepers. There's 9 top keepers.
I know
How many
there
top
is.
keepers do we have?
Oscar. Wow.
Right, go.
Get in. Start wrapping.
I think we're only missing Allison.
Yeah, I'm seeing Alison. There we are.
Free code card. Manchester City.
Midfielder. Gundogan.
Gundogan. Guns whatever.
Gundogan. Midfield.
Arsenal.
Mohamed Elneny, not Mohamed Salah.
Mohamed El Neni. What? Mohamed El Neni. Anyway, defender from Watford. Sierra. And then
The last two all midfielder, which is surprising. Midfielder for my new Matic.
who's he? Yeah. Matic, yeah, I know him.
2 inserts.
Tottenham and someone else. It's Lightning Lucas Moura. I swear, we've nearly finished the Lightning ones as well.
Midfield Leeds. Can it? Wait.
Is it? It's Phillips. It's Phillips.
Or Rafinha or Rafinha.
Oh yeah,
It's
it's probably going to be Fire Rafinha, isn't it?
Yeah, or maybe Game Breaker Phillips. No, it's not. That's not mine.
Hero Phillips, isn't it, or someone? It's Fire Rafinha.
Wait, I'm going to put Bruno. It's Fire Mahrez.
Oh no, not another Fire
It's a
Mahrez.
Fire Mahrez, Bruno.
Bruno, it's another Fire Mahrez. Yeah.
Yeah, look, it's another Fire Mahrez.
Oh, look.
It's another Fire Mahrez. Another Fire Mahrez.
It's Fire. It's Fire Rafinha.
It's Fire Rafinha.
Fire Rafinha. Right then, my 2 packs. Yes, yeah. Let's go.
Okay, son. It won't open for blooming hell.
Okay, so code card.
Oh, good, that. It's for the floor.
Then you have a Laporte
Report.
reporting card. Arsenal midfielder. Bukayo Saka.
Because like we have a limited edition. Nice.
Defender. Him.
Huh? Pim. Well.
Rissam Simpson.
Brentford got lots of we've had lots of
Benji.
bench.
Yeah.
Forward.
Crystal Palace forward.
Benji.
Wilford's are. Yeah.
That Salah's mine.
What Salah?
That Salah. Lightning Salah.
Yeah,
I
but
know,
we
but we need him.
Okay.
Anyway, Brentford
I'll do
defender.
inserts.
Defensive rock.
And a third
Pinnock.
defensive rock. Pinnock. Midfielder.
And
Watford.
midfielder for Watford. Hero Huys.
That's back for
Oh, this
Benji.
one's heavy.
Benji.
This might have a. This might have a lenticular. I just
Benji,
realised
look.
this is so heavy.
Wait, pass it.
It's way more
That-
heavier than the
That
normal
one's
packs.
my swapsy.
I swear it is.
That one's
Give
my
me to swear.
swapsy, Benji.
No, that's Pulisic.
Oh.
But anyway,
Let's get
will I get the lenticular? This seems heavy.
Yeah, it does actually. I tried it and it's pretty heavy.
Code card.
Midfielder. Is it going to be, what's
Midfield
it
from
called?
Newcastle.
Is it maximum?
Longstaff.
Long staff. It's a long staff.
Tottenham.
Midfielder.
Midfielder. Lo Celso.
Celso.
Another Tottenham, but
Forward.
forward. Harry
The
Kane.
England striker.
Defender from Burnley. Taylor. Defender from Wolves. Defensive rock Connor Cody. Midfielder from Aston Villa.
Ooh.
Jack Grealish fire.
That really
Well, it should be from Manchester City.
Yeah.
Will it end 2-1? I think it will, unless we get a limited edition Salah. If that's a thing.
It's not. So it's going to be 2-1. But let's see if we get the signed. So that's the score. 2-1. So it's 2-1.
Here comes
2-1 to West Ham. It's a really boring game, don't you think, Robin?
This actually might be the score in real life, but
It's not going to be. Limited edition, is it going to be signed?
It's midfield. They're always midfielders. Yeah, they're always midfielders.
Arsenal.
Saka.
Oh, if it's Bukayo Saka, yeah, we need the signed. Is it the signed?
Spin it around.
Spin it round. Okay, ready, go. Spin it. Spin it.
Spin it. Spin it.
Spin it.
Spin it. Spin it. Spin it.
Hurry up! What do you mean spin it? Anyway, that's a swap.
It's only one.
So it's Bruno spin.
Bruno, do you want it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why is there one packet?
So that is that. 2-1 to West Ham versus Liverpool. I don't think it's going to be that in real life. I think it's going to be 3-2 to Liverpool in real life. But anyway, see you in the next one. Bye.